How to temporarily deactivate Instagram account. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to temporarily deactivate Instagram account. So let's begin. Before we start, let me tell you first that we are going to use the web browser instead of the Instagram app since the Instagram app doesn't have the option in which you may deactivate your account. So let's go first with the app and compare it with the web browser. So once you are in the app, go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen and click on Edit Profile. Once you're here, you may not be able to see the temporarily deactivate your account. Um, which can be seen on the bottommost part of the page or the screen. So unlike the web browser, you're going to open Instagram.com and sign in with your account. And once you have signed in, go to your profile and click on Edit Profile right here. Once you are here, scroll down to the bottom and you may be able to see this option which says temporarily disable my account. So click on it and then choose the option that you want on why are you disabling your account. Choose the reason that you want. So for example, you may choose created a second account, concerned about my data, and many more. And then you may be able to um, see a message right here. So you may read that one and simply re-enter your password right here. So type in your password and click on temporarily disable account found on the bottommost part, and then that's it. That's how you can temporarily deactivate Instagram account. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.